particular video, I just going to teach you how you can convert a number from one decimal format to the another decimal format. Normally, people used to study binary to decimal, decimal to octal, octal to hexadecimal. Usually, I have seen lots of people confusing in this particular concept. That's just a simple trick. Let's say we have two decimal format. Something is in X and we need to convert it into Y format. Say it may be a binary, decimal, octal, or hexadecimal. And we need to convert it into a hexa, or octal, or a decimal, or a binary. For an example, let's take the first example 10101 whose base value is 2. The first step what you have to do is that particular decimal format should be converted into a decimal. Then you can convert into the Y format. What is the Y format? Hexadecimal. Let's see how this. Understand this perfectly. Please go and watch the previous episodes. Only then you will get to know the each and every logic. Here I didn't explain the shortcut for those who have already watched those videos. So this is the binary value. So binary to a decimal. You have to understand the only logic. How do you convert a binary to a decimal? Whenever you convert any number to a decimal, you have to take the base of that particular number. Base of the particular number is 2. How many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you start from 0. 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4. And you should multiply the position of the numbers. 1, then into 0, into 1, into 1, 0, 1, 0, into 1. Got it? So let me take out the things which are multiplied by 0. So anything multiplied by 0 is 0. So the remaining values are anything to the power 0 is 1. So 1 plus 4 plus 2 to the power 4 is 2 to the 4 to the 8 is 16. 2 to the 4 to the 16. So I get 21. 21 base 10. So this is the equivalent decimal value of this binary. So if it is a binary, you will take as 2. If it is a octal, you will take the base as 8. If it is hexadecimal, you put the base as 16. You apply the powers, you multiply the position of the numbers, and thereby you convert any number to the decimal format. Now, decimal to hexadecimal, step 2. Simple logic. When you convert a decimal number to hexadecimal, or you convert a decimal to a binary or to octal, you will go for HCF. You will be dividing the number by the base. So what is the number here? 21. So 21 to which format you are converting? Hexadecimal. Hexadecimal is 16. 16 ones are 16. Remaining is 21 minus 16 is 5. So obviously you get 1, 5, which is nothing but 15 base of 16. Therefore, 1010 of 2 is equivalent decimal value is 21 base 10. The expected hexadecimal value is 15, 16. So easily I converted a decimal back to a hexadecimal. Again, we need the octal value of this. You will be dividing it by 8. Let me show you another example. Let me switch off the fan. I think the noise will be there. So I have 18 base of 8 where I need to convert it into a base 2. First step, convert it into a decimal format. So to convert it into a decimal format, 18 base of 8, which is nothing but, and the base is 8, 8 power 0 plus 8 power 1, 8 multiplied with 0 position 0 and multiplied with 8, I get anything to the power 0 is 1, 1 into 0 is 0, and 8 are 64, I get 64 base 10 value of 80 base 8. Now the 64 base 10 should be converted into a base 2 values. So 64, 2, 2 3s are 6, 32, 2 8, 16 times 0, 0, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2 0. So I'm receiving here 1 0 0 0 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 base 2. So this is the equivalent binary value for octal 80. For octal 80, the equivalent binary value is 1 0 0 0 0 6 0 base 2, and whose equivalent decimal value is 64 base 10. So this is one of the most interesting and the most required video for any 12th standard students or for any students who have digital electronics in their concepts. Say, even civil you have digital electronics, for mechanical students you have digital electronics, ECE, EEE, IT, computer science. Even during college days you require this video. Again, even during your programming career, you need this particular video. And kindly keep this video as your WhatsApp status and comment about this particular video, whether it is useful or not, or any suggestions such that the likes and comments alone spread my videos as per the YouTube algorithm. So please do that, and that is the gratitude you do for me if I really added knowledge through this video. Until meeting you in next video, please subscribe my channel and keep it as your WhatsApp status. This is Sudhamani signing off from my YouTube channel, Wityy Jester. Bye.